system. The Earth is the third planet from the Sun. Yes, that's right. Earth is located between the planet Venus and Mars. Earth is also the fifth largest planet in our solar system.
First and foremost, American values, American virtues, but you openly support platforms that take away trans people rights and openly do not agree with the fact that men can become women, women can become men.
So number one, that's not taking away anyone's rights, that's a recognition of reality. And also 2 + 2 = 4 is not a reversal of anybody's rights. To the actual facts of the situation, you have a right to say what you want to say, but you certainly do not have a right to demand that everybody else say it with you. And that's a violation. You want to talk about a violation of First Amendment rights or a violation of basic American rights. Trying to use the power of government, as so many people on the left have, to force everybody to say things are false in the name of your personal comfort, that's a violation of rights.
But to force people to do something for your own personal comfort doesn't infringe the same amount of rights?
What am I forcing you to do? Or anybody else who's trans?
Not be who they feel that they should be. They're not telling you.
No, I mean, you can be anything you want to be. I mean, but you can't be, let's put it this way, you can think whatever you want to think about yourself. You can't be anything you want to be. You can't be Napoleon, you can't be Jesus, and you can't be a member of the opposite sex. I mean, the facts of life are the facts of life. And declaring that everyone else should simply go along with what is in fact a counterfactual statement, a delusion, that's a violation of everybody else's rights. So the idea that you get to project onto everybody else your perception of self is so wild and bizarre a suggestion that it erodes the basic standard of truth and fact that is literally the basic for any even human conversation to take place. If we can't even tell what words mean anymore, if the only perception that matters is my own, that is the essence of narcissism. It's just you in a mirror looking at yourself and then demanding that everybody else say about you what you wish to say about yourself. That's not reality. And by the way, it's not even kind to you. Because it turns out that one of the realities of life is that you will live a happier and better life if you understand and agree with reality rather than fighting it. Reality always wins. Whether you like it or not, reality always wins.
Plastic ends up in the oceans, threatening wildlife and littering beaches. Now, the UN Environment Assembly is stepping up. It's being called the most significant environmental pact since the Paris Climate Accord. 175 UN member states agreed to create a treaty to end plastic pollution by 2024. A negotiating committee will hold a series of meetings over the next 2 years to settle on a legally binding agreement, one that will put limits on the life cycle of plastics, from how they are made to how they are thrown away or recycled.